Hi friends, today is the special day. So on this special day, I will just give you we will discuss on this topic log, and I will also solve some important question that has come in your competitive exam. And if you'll solve these 3 or 4 questions, if you'll understand it, then this is my guarantee, you can solve any type of question. So we will discuss the inverse function of exponential is known as logarithmic function or log function. So what is the log function? Actually, this log, that is also a value. The expansion of log 1 plus x is x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 minus x to the power 4 upon 4 plus x to the power 5 upon 5 up to so on. Okay, infinite. And similarly, this exponential x is equal to 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus up to so on infinite. And the value of e, I told you that this and this, actually what is this and what is this? Whenever you are writing a to the power x is equal to y, suppose we are writing this a, this is a variable and this is a constant and this x is the variable, and suppose its output is y and we want to find what is this. So in this condition, whenever there is a power, we will use log both sides. Ax is equal to log y. So this log, it works also on base. If it's base, what is the base? The log base. The log base. We don't know. We have to put the base of the log. Okay. So if we are writing here a, suppose the base is a. Suppose you can take anything. Okay. So in this condition, there is a formula we will discuss after some time. So this a, log base a to the power x is equal to actually x. So that is log a y. So whenever this log will come here, then your a to the power x is equal to y. So this is the relationship between this and this. If suppose I will write here suppose I will write here log base e, a to the power x is equal to log e base y. Base is e. So again, but here we cannot write log base e ax is equal to this. We cannot write. And suppose this is e to the power x. Suppose this is e to the power x is equal to y. Suppose. So in this condition, this is e. So if it is e, then your formula we will discuss after some time. Base a की power n is equal to n. Actually this is n. Okay. So base e की power x is equal to x. X is equal to log e base y. So when log will come here, then after then your e means your base. Actually this is the base. This is the base of log. So whenever you are writing a to the power x and we want to know actually what is the value of a to the power x, then you have to use this log. Whenever there is a power in trigonometric function or in whenever you are doing the integration or differentiation, so whenever you have such type of problem, then you will take log both sides and after then you can solve the problem. So this is the relationship between this is log and e. So this is the base, that is the base of log. Okay. So this is the base of log and its value is e is equal to 2.7182818459046. That is infinite. That is the irrational number. So according to physics, you will take only up to 3 number after decimal. So that is 2.718. Now there are some formula we will discuss. So the first one is log m into n. So whenever you are writing it, this is log m plus log n. If you are writing this, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. And log base a to the power n is equal to n. and this log base a 1. Okay, so the graph of log, you have to just learn, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. You must go play in the graph. We have uploaded one video, it will clear. That is the graph of log x. So this is 1 and this is 0. So at 1, this is x, at 1 means log 1 is equal to 0. So you can see that it is touching the x-axis. So at 1 it is 0. So the next one, 1 minute. So we will discuss. Okay, I will come after. I will just come. Okay. So sorry for the disturbance. So now log AA. So there is no power. So that will be 1. Okay. Log A base A to the power 1 is equal to 1. Log A 0. Log 0 is equal to, that is infinite. Okay. So that is infinite. So log A1 is equal to 0. Okay. And log AA is equal to 1. Okay. Log A0 it has two value. Number first is this is minus infinite or infinite. When minus infinite, when A is greater than 1, base is greater than 1. If base is less than 1, then it is infinite. You can see at 0 it is going to minus infinite. Okay. Now log A base x की power n is equal to n. Now n will come here, log A base x. Now log AC is equal to, you will write log C base A. You can write this. This is a very important formula. Log A base C is equal to 1 upon log C base A. Log A base x. You can write also this. This is also very important. C base x upon log C base A. Okay. Now this is log A base x. So that is the power. Whenever A to the power log A base x, so it will be x. You have to understand. So log E base x at last. So what is the value of this? You will write that is in x. Okay. Whenever base is E, then you will write in. Okay. So we have discussed all the formula. Now you will use these formula in our problems. The first problem, it has come in your previous competitive exam. The first question is given that log p upon y minus z is equal to log q upon z minus x is equal to log r upon x minus y is equal to 10. For x is not equal to y is not equal to z, what is the value of the product of PQR? There are 4 options. So what option you will you will solve. Okay. So now at first, whenever you are reading any question during exam, so at first you have to think what we have to find. So that is your goal. At first you have to focus on the goal. Your goal, your task is PQR. We have to find the PQR. What is PQR? You have to find. This is your task. So it means that we have to reach here. We have to find the value of P. We have to find the value of Q. We have to find the value of R. So that is our task. So what they have given us? They have given us log P upon y minus z is equal to 10. It means that your log P is equal to 10 into y minus z. Already just before we have discussed, whenever you have written log and suppose the base is e, or base is 10, we don't know. So here we have log p is equal to 10 y minus z. Similarly, suppose the base is nothing. Similarly you have log q upon, this is z minus x. is equal to 10, this is equal to this. It means that log q is equal to 10 into z minus x. Now similarly again log r upon x minus y is equal to 10. It means that log r is equal to 10 into x minus y. Just before we have discussed that if they have not given you the base of log, then in this condition this is your right to take the base of this log is e. So in this condition you have to use the base is e if they have not given. If they have given the base can be anything. Maybe the base is 2x, the base is 10. You can put any value in the base, okay? But if they have not given us, in this condition you will write here e. So whenever you have written e, then this log it will come here. In this condition your e to the power something you will write, means you will write, in this condition you will write p is equal to e to the power 10 y minus z, and that is also q e to the power 10 z minus x, and that is also r is equal to e to the power 10 x minus y. Now what he has asked find the value of pqr. So what will you do? You will write pqr is equal to, the value of p is e to the power 10 y minus z, this e to the power 10 z minus x, and e to the power 10 x minus y. And you know that in multiplication you will add everything. So e 10y minus 10z plus 10z minus 10x plus 10x minus 10y. So all will cut. You can see your y and this 10y and 10y will cancel, and 10z and 10z will cancel, and 10x and 10x will cancel. So that is e to the power 0, and constant to the power 0 is equal to 1. X to the power 0 is equal to 1, you know. So that is e to the power 0, means constant to the power 0 is equal to 1. So your answer is this. So now the second one, your second problem they have asked in your exam. If pqr is not equal to 0 and p to the power minus x is equal to 1 upon q, q to the power minus y is equal to 1 upon r, and r to the power minus z is equal to 1 upon p. Again they have asked find the value of xyz. So your target is what is xyz. He has asked what is xyz. So our target to find the value of x, y and z. Okay. So what they have given us, p to the power minus x is equal to 1 upon q. So already we have discussed, whenever you have power, okay, you will use log both sides. So you have to write here log p to the power minus x is equal to log 1 upon q. Now already we have discussed what we have discussed, log a to the power x, a to the power x is equal to x log a. We have discussed here the base is e, no problem. You can write any base. So in this condition your x it will come here, means minus x log p is equal to what, and also we have discussed also log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. So that is log 1 minus log q. So log 1 already we have discussed, that is 0. 0 minus log q is equal to minus x log p, minus and minus cancel. So your x is equal to log q upon log p. This is the value of x. Similarly, for this question, the second one is you have q to the power minus y. Q to the power minus y is equal to 1 upon r. Again you will use the log both side, log q की power minus y is equal to log 1 upon r. So that will be minus y log q is equal to log 1 minus log r. Minus minus cancel, log 1 is equal to 0. So you will get y is equal to log r upon log q. The second value, similarly z is equal to, similarly you will solve z, you will get z is equal to log p upon log r. Okay, log r. So now you have to multiply this value, this x value, z value and y value. So the value of x, the value of y and value of z. The value of x is log q upon log p, and the value of y, that is into log r upon log q, and the value of z is equal to log p upon log r. Now you can see your log cancel, log p cancel, log q cancel. So everything is cut. So you have got 1. So your answer is 1. I think that you understand. Now very important question. This has come in your competitive exam. We will discuss. If you will solve this problem, this question, it include all the formula. I will explain how. Now you can see that your question is the value of the expression 1 upon 1 plus log base u vw plus 1 upon 1 plus log base b wu plus 1 upon 1 plus log base w and uv is. There are 4 options. Okay, so how to solve this problem? That is the complicated, but this is very easy. So they have given us base u. You know that already we have discussed log a to the power n is equal to n. We have discussed. Okay, so it implies that we can write log a की power 1 is equal to 1. So in place of a we can write log a base a to the power 1. So here the base is u. So we can write this problem like this: 1 upon, this is log u base 1. So that is same 1 plus log u base vw plus 1 upon. Now here the base is v. So again we will write here the base is v. So your base is v1. Okay, base b v to the power 1 plus log v and u wu plus 1 upon 1, that is 1. In place of 1 we will write log base w1 plus log base wuv. Okay, now we know what we know. We know that log m plus log n is equal to log m into n if base are same. So you can see in this problem your base is u. So you can write 1 upon base is u, and you can write uvw plus 1 upon base is v, and here also v. So you can write v, and this is uvw and plus 1 upon base is w both. So you will write w and base is uvw. Okay, now we have discussed just before what we have discussed 1 upon log c base u is equal to log u base c. This problem we have discussed just before. We have given you this formula: 1 upon log c base u is equal to log u base c. So we will use this formula here. So this will come above. In this condition your formula it will be log base is uvw and your u will come here plus, and again same, this log your base is u, v, w, and v will come here. Again and again your log u, v, w, and w will come here. Okay. Now, when your base is same, then you have to use this formula. Log m plus log n is equal to log m into n if base is same. Otherwise you cannot add, you cannot solve, means use this formula. Your base is same, so you can use the formula. Now you can see your base is UVW, base is UVW, base is UVW. So in this condition, you can write this is log UVW and that is also UVW multiplication m into n, m plus n is equal to m into n. So UVW. Now already we have discussed what we have discussed. Log a base a की power 1 is equal to 1, power n is equal to n, and power 1 is equal to 1. So in this condition its power is 1, so your value it will be 1. That is your answer. This problem, only this question, it include all the formula. Only this question, it include all the formula. If you will solve only single this problem, then you can understand actually what is the meaning of, what is the purpose of this log. Okay. So now it is this question, it has also come in your competitive exam. So the first one is, you have to understand, what you have to understand, there is only one function. There is only one function. After differentiate and integration, you will get the same result. There is only one function. After differentiation and integration, you will get the same result. And the function is e to the power x. Only one function. After integration and differentiation. And another function, no, there is only one function. 0 is also not. If you will differentiate to 0, then you will get 0. If you will integrate 0, but after integration 0, you will get 0 plus c. So 0 is not such type of function. There is only one function. After integration and differentiation, you will get the same result. So now they have asked, let x be a continuous variable. What is continuous? Just go in the previous lecture. Defined over the interval minus infinite to infinite. That is the same interval. Whenever you are using this infinite to infinite, then you all time you have to use this open interval, not closed interval. You have to understand why. Already we have discussed. And fx is equal to e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x. Then gx is equal to integration of fx is. What is the answer? Very simple. Very simple. So your function is e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x. Now you have to solve, you have to integration, you have to integrate this problem. So at first we will think, you have to think one formula. The formula is x to the power m into n is equal to x to the power m plus n is equal to x to the power m into x to the power n, and x to the power m minus n is equal to x to the power m into x to the power minus n. This formula, we will use this formula. So similarly we can write e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x is equal to e to the power minus x into e to the power minus e to the power minus x. I think that you understand what we want to, if you will multiply, then both will add. Okay. Now how to solve this problem? This is very simple. If you will take log both sides, then it is not possible to solve it. But if you will use e to the power minus x is equal to t, then it can be solved. If you will take e to the power minus x is equal to t after differentiation both side, so you will get minus e to the power minus x dx is equal to dt. Before coming in this lecture, you must know that what is differentiation and what is integration. You must go in the previous lecture. Already we have defined the application of differentiation and application of integration. So e to the power minus x is equal to t. If you have depth knowledge of science, the mathematics, then you must come in this question. This is a common question. It has come in your competitive exam. So e to the power minus x is equal to t minus e to the power minus x dx is equal to dt. So this value it will come here. Your dx is equal to dt upon minus e to the power minus x, but e to the power minus x is equal to t. So this. So if you will take e to the power minus x is equal to t, then you can write dx is equal to dt upon minus t. Okay. So now this question, you have to solve this question. So integration of f of x dx, you have to solve this problem. So integration of what is fx? Fx is equal to this e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x dx. So we can split it. We can solve just like this again into e to the power minus e to the power minus x. In place of this we have written this is t and this is into e to the power minus t. E to the power minus is equal to t, and in place of dx we have written dx is equal to dt upon minus t. So your t and t cancel, and minus you have got minus integration of minus t dt. So there is only one function, e to the power minus x is equal to integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Integration of e to the power minus t is equal to e to the power minus t, but minus will come, so minus minus plus. So you have got this is e to the power minus t. So what is t? T is e to the power minus x. So your value it will be e to the power minus, and t is e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x. So your answer is e to the power minus e to the power minus x. So e to the power minus e to the power minus x. This is your answer. I think that you understand. So we have tried our best to solve such type of problem. If you will solve only the 4 problems, then all the log problem, the examiner, they can ask any question to you. You can solve during your exam. You have to think what we want to teach you. Okay, we have discussed all the problems. Okay, I hope you got. So thank you so much for the special day.